guys, so today I am using the Ninja. I am fixing to make a barbecue sauce that's different from the video that I have up. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon of olive oil in. We'll put about a quarter of a cup of onion. And about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Pop the lid on. I'll give it a couple of little pulses there. Take the lid off. Gonna reach in and knock all my onion and garlic down to the bottom with all that oil. Throw that lid back on. And we will be back. It is smelling really good. We've got about another minute 15. And I'm going to reset it and add the rest of my stuff, and we will cook it some more. Okay, so it's sauteed for 2 minutes. I'm going to pop this lid off. Hear that sizzle? Push my stuff back down in there because I'm going to pulse it just a bit before I add the rest of my stuff. Okay, now I'm going to come back and I'm going to add a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Along with the lid. Trust me to always make a mess. Okay, I've got some apple juice, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Maybe I said that right. I've got some brown sugar, some white sugar, and I've got a whole bunch of spices. And I will be sure and drop this recipe down for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, I'm going to pulse this a couple more times. Okay, so after I've pulsed it, I've came back, I've switched it to cook. It's going to cook on high for 4 minutes. Once it's reached 4 minutes, I'm going to stop it. I'll scrape it down again. I'll give it a few more pulses, then it'll cook for 2 more minutes, and then we should be done. Okay, we've reached the 4-minute mark. Get the sides scraped down here. See if I can get you over here and give you a look down into it. It's looking amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to put that lid back on. I'm going to hit the high button and I'm going to pulse this thing up. I don't like, because what I'm looking for in this sauce is I want a nice smooth sauce. It all smoothed out. So now I'm going to come back, switch it to cook. We're going to go on high again for 2 more minutes, then we will be done. Alright, so as you can see, I've let it run about 40 seconds over, which is perfectly fine. This is going to go set in various places around my table tonight. Look at this smooth barbecue sauce. I am about to put some chicken on the pit boss for supper. So that's what's going to be going on at the Slape household. The kiddos are coming over. So we're going to enjoy some good smoked meat with some homemade sauce. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you like it, you share it, you subscribe. Hey, hit that notification bell so you will get notified on the latest videos. Leave a comment. Anyway, so thanks for hanging out and putting up with me. And we will see you next time here on Southern Roots.